Well, how y'all doing today? Today's video is going to be a little bit different. I'm going to attempt to clean a headlight, and we're going to see if it works. If it doesn't work, then I'm going to scrap all this and come up with something else for today's video. But let's see how it works. Yeah, this is what we got. Some sandpaper, some compound, and some wax. If you can tell, it's pretty nasty looking. Alright, I really don't know what I'm doing. I'm just going to get this wet, this damp, and try the sandpaper. This is a 600 grit, so I don't want to do too much. Well, there you have it. Do you think it made a difference? I think it made some. I think I need to work more on it, but up here, you can really tell. It's just right in here. I think that's the worst area. But I'm a little nervous about using that sandpaper on it. But I don't know. We'll do some more later. Alright, well, as you can tell, it kind of works. It's just going to take a little more elbow grease. But, you know, if you can't afford to replace the headlight or have it professionally done, there's an ideal. And I'm one of those that can't afford to have it professionally done. They have a little sign up at Walmart where you can do it, headlight restoration for $25, but I've been told that restoration lasts about a month and then it goes right back the way it was. Now, I don't know. I've never had it. Don't know anybody that's ever done it. But I don't know. If that's all you have to do, it might be worth 25 bucks to see, but I've got those bad places in the paint that I want to work on some more. I tried it just a little bit, and I believe it is going to compound out, because there's some shiny spots in there, so there's paint underneath that. So anyway, totally different type of video today. However, we'll throw something in here to make it sound, we'll throw something in here to make it a gig worker video. I'm going after a pizza for $7.19. Grubhub order. I'm not playing, I really am. Anyway, it don't have to all be about that. It can be about other things that we all deal with at one time or another or something. So we're just people, just like you and them and them. There really was people over there. I'm not just making that up. Okay, I think I spent too much time out in the sun. I gotta crank this air conditioner up and get to rolling and think about where I'm going without getting run over. So anyway, I will see y'all in the next video. Y'all keep on smiling, dashing, dancing, prancing, doing whatever it is you want to do. Just keep doing something, because you're going to grow old if you don't. And be nice to one another. That's the big thing right there. I'll see y'all later. Bye.